Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear grade 5 students, hello again. I am Ahmed Al Farahati and I wish you all the best of everything. Today, inshallah, we will study Unit 3, our wonderful wallet, Lesson 1. Please open your class book to page 26. This page. What are the aims of this lesson? Let's check. Unit 3, our wonderful wallet. Lesson 1. Class book pages 26 and 27. Activities 1, 2, 3, and 4. The aims. In this lesson, students will talk about places in the wallet, read for specific information, match descriptions of places to pictures, answer WH questions after reading short texts. Let's go to page 26 of your class book. Unit 3, our wonderful wallet, reading and understanding section. Activity 1. Look and speak. Look at the pictures and discuss the questions in groups. 1. What do the pictures show? 2. Can you name any similar places? 3. Which places would you like to visit and why? Dear students, you are asked to look at these pictures and discuss the questions with your friends, with your group. And you can do this at home. You can discuss the questions with your brothers or sisters. Yes. What do the pictures show? Excellent. The pictures show a mountain, a river, a building, a desert, a city or a town, and a waterfall. Yes. Question 2. Can you name any similar places like these places? Yeah, in Oman there are so many places like these. Which places would you like to visit? Why? I leave these two questions so you can answer them as you like. Let's go to page 27. Activity 2. Read and match. Read the descriptions below and match them to the pictures 1 to 6 in Activity 1. Dear students, we are asked to read these descriptions. Then you are asked to match them to the pictures 1 to 6 in Activity 1, in this activity. But before we start reading, let me remind you of something. You are asked to underline any difficult words and look them up at any dictionaries in order to understand the meaning, in order to know the meaning of these words. Let's read. A. A river is a large stream of fresh water that flows into another river, a lake, or the ocean. Rivers are important because they give people clean water and food. B. A city is a place where lots of people live and work. Each country in the world has a capital city. The capital city is usually the most important city in a country. C. A waterfall is a place where water from a river, stream, or melting ice drops down from a high place. Some waterfalls are very high, while others have only a short drop. Many tourists like to visit waterfalls. D. A mountain is part of the earth that rises up very high from the land around it. Most mountains are found in long lines called ranges. As you climb up a mountain, the air becomes colder. It is so cold at the top of some mountains that they are always covered in snow, even in the summer. E. A building is a place made by people that has walls and a roof. There are lots of different types of buildings. People use them to live in, work in, worship in, and learn and play in. F. A desert is a dry place where it hardly ever rains. Many deserts are made of sand, but others are covered in stones and rocks. There is very little water in deserts, so only a few plants and animals can live there. Now take your time to match these texts to the pictures 1 to 6 in activity 1. Then come back to check your answers. Hello again. I'll write the answers in order to check yours. A is picture 4. B is picture 6. C is picture 5. D is picture 1. E is picture 2. And F is picture 3. Activity 3. Think and match. Match each picture from activity 1 to its name in the box below. Muscat, the River Nile, the Arizona Desert, Mount Fuji, Niagara Falls, the Royal Opera House, Muscat. You are asked now to match each picture to its name here. Take your time to do the activity, then come back to check your answers. Hello again. I'll match the names here to the pictures from activity 1 in order to check your answers. Yes, picture 1 is Mount Fuji. Picture 2, the Royal Opera House, Muscat. Picture 3, the Arizona Desert. Picture 4, the River Nile. Picture 5, the Niagara Falls. And picture 6 is Muscat. Thank you. Activity 4. Read and answer. Read the texts in activity 2 again. Answer the questions with a partner. You are asked to read the texts again, these texts. Then try to answer these questions. Let me read the questions first. 1. Why are rivers important? 2. What can you find in a desert? 3. Where does the water in waterfalls come from? 4. What is the weather like at the top of a mountain? Take your time to answer these questions, and you can ask your partner to help you. Then come back to check your answers. Hello again. I'll write the answers in order to check yours. 1. Why are rivers important? Because they give people clean water and food. Yes. 1. Because they give people clean water and food. Yes. Number two, what can you find in a desert? Yes, sands, stones, little water, rocks, few plants, and a few animals. And you can mention so many things that you can see in a desert. I write here some of these things: sands, stones, rocks, and little water. Three, where does the water in waterfalls come from? Yes, it comes from rivers, streams, or melting ice. Three, rivers, streams, or melting ice. 4. What's the weather like at the top of a mountain? It is colder at the top of a mountain. It is colder at the top of a mountain. Thank you. By this we've achieved the aims of this lesson. Thank you for following me. Goodbye.